So I started to forge in the bevels. As you can see, I'm working on the edges of my anvil so I can overhang my hammer off the edge of the anvil and forge at an angle so it becomes a triangular shape rather than a square shape. So you can see right there my hammer's overhanging the edge, and working the tip is a bit hard because you have to keep turning it, but I just kept working it and it worked out. You can see how much wider the blade gets when forging the bevels. Here I'm beveling from the middle to the tang, the handle part of the blade, at the same angle I did the tip of the blade. I switched from my rounding hammer to my dog's head hammer to get a better finish when final forging. My dog's head hammer gives a little flatter face than my rounding hammer, so that when I am finished forging, there's a lot less grinding necessary than if I use my rounding hammer. So after forging, the blade came out to about 15 inches, and it will probably be cut down at the tang to about 14.5 inches, which is about the length that I wanted. And the width went from about 7/8 at the in the middle of the blade where the handle starts to 1 1/8, so it grew about 1/4 inch, and about 5/8 near the tip to about 7/8. Then I stuck the blade into a bucket of vermiculite to anneal it. Thank you for watching, guys. More next time. Please subscribe and visit my website, woolmetalworks.com.